All right, this video I'm going to show you how to get your sketchbook set up for the sketchbook prompts. So this direction, or this set of directions, is so that you can make 20 individual boxes on a standard 9 by 12 sketchbook paper. It gives you a little room for border on the outside all around. So if you want to be really meticulous about this and center it perfectly, you can. However, you don't have to. So the standard piece of paper that we're working with is 9 inches, and our final box is going to be 8 inches. So that means we are going to mark a 1/2 inch in from each side. So we're going to do that up near the top and then again towards the bottom. So you notice I'm lining up my ruler, so 9 and 0, and then I'm going in on this ruler, it's 2 marks because those are all 1/4 inches. So I will go ahead and connect those, and I'm going to go ahead and connect this side. So if you need to complete this and you're not quite ready, go ahead and pause the video before we go on to the next step. All right, the next step is to figure out the vertical measurements. So the total area is the total height is going to be 10 inches because I'm going to make 2-inch boxes. So I am going, because this whole paper is 12 inches, I am going in 1 inch there and 1 inch there, and then 1 inch here and 1 inch there. Then I'm going to connect those. Now if your paper is a little off, that's fine. All right. So anything outside of this border doesn't really matter, but this is where you can label your paper, and we'll do that in just a little bit. So the grid that I'm going to make in order to be able to draw on here is 4 boxes wide and 5 boxes tall. So for a total of 20 boxes. So I am making marks every 2 inches on the right side, and then every 2 inches on the left, and this is going to give me 5 rows. All right, so 5 rows, they're all 2 inches tall. 2 inches. You don't have to write that, I'm just making a note. So now I am going to make 4 columns. Again, they're each 2 inches wide by 2 inches wide. Then I am going to connect those lines, and I now have 20 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. They're all 2 inch by 2 inches. The last thing I would say, it depends on what the assignment is, but you will probably want to name or date to somehow, when you're finished, make sure you have photographed the correct assignment to turn it in. So for this particular assignment, it is Sketchbook Prompts 1, number 1, and this is actually for February 16th through March, I believe it's 12th. And of course, I'm going to sign it, and you are ready. Now the way that we are going to work in these is that we are going to work on them as if we are reading. So the first box that we do, which will be on the 16th, will be right here, then the 17th, then the 18th. So this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 19th. So then I'm going to skip numbering. The next one I do, which will be on Monday, will be down here. So that's actually the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. So that's a Friday. Don't worry about the numbering. I mean, that's something we're going to do in class, but each time you add a drawing, you're going to start here, then move here to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next.